on, guys? We're with Sean, of course, and
hey!
Today we're going to fish my old neighborhood pond, and currently Sean's pond because he still lives here and I don't. Hopefully it'll be a good fishing day. It is kind of cloudy outside and not sunny. That may affect a little bit, but it has not rained. They should be biting, and Sean has fish there.
And a few days ago, I caught a fish, insert picture, and it was rather large, so, and my friend Micah's caught like a 5-pounder in there before, so we're gonna try to catch them.
Let's get the GoPro on and view the cinematics. I look very epic. Look at me. Got my fishing bag on. Got my GoPro on. Got my 2 bait casters in my hand. Got this big boy camera in my hand. Sean's coming right behind me. That was kind of sus. Hope you guys like those cinematics. Let's get it. Oh, wow. Jeez, I was not expecting that. Jeez, OP, that scared me. Let's go. First fish. Been here for, what, 3 minutes? Beautiful. A little pale, but I mean, hey, that's all right. Let's get the release. See ya, bud. Let's go. First fish. If you guys don't have a Guggen Kraken Crawl, either in your fishing bag or your tackle box or whatever you use, you're doing it wrong. Oh yeah, this one's a bigger one. This is a big one. This one's fat. Oh, dang it, buddy.
Look how much he's bleeding, man.
Yeah.
Look at the sign.
I hate this.
What?
He swallowed the hook. Alrighty, well, I hope you live, buddy. If you don't, I'm sorry. It's swimming away. Oh, well, I just got a new crawl on and everything, so we can go back to fishing. What? I don't know what this is.
Sunfish. Wait, what the heck? It's like a mix between a sunfish, a bass, and a bluegill.
Dude, how'd you even get that hook in your mouth? I have no clue what this fish is. If you guys know what type of fish this is, comment down below. This is a beautiful fish, though.
Yeah.
See you later, little guy. Woo! It was like 3rd fish of the day. Gosh dang it. Why does this always happen to me? Let's go, Sean. Let's go, Landon. Just got my backlash out. Sean caught a fish. It was a pretty doinker one. This fish, like, barely swallowed Sean's hook. Like, almost did, but kind of did at the same time. And I just saved him. Let's see if he's still alive. Oh, yeah. He's alive. There's a fish that was, like, playing with it. When you get it off the hook, come down here and show me. Oh, dang it. Oh, yeah, Sean's second fish. Oh, yeah. Good fish. All right. Let's put it back. Okay. Go feisty there, buddy. This claw's done for. It's like the second one in the matter of 5 minutes. Okay, why is this one so slimy?
Wait, what? No way!
No! Where are all the fish at? That's still a doinker. That's alright though, I'll take it. Open your mouth. Thank you. Thank you, bud, for biting. Cute little. Oh, see you later, guy. And he's gone.
Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Gosh, dang.
Oh yeah. Yeah, get the scale. Oh my gosh. Look at this chunker, dude. Oh, she's about to. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Making another YouTube video and look at this thing. Holy crap, look at this. This thing. Okay, this thing is probably actually the size of my dong. Like, look at this thing. Let's get the hook out of your mouth, girl.
Oh.
306 already.
It's not bad.
306, baby. There it goes. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Oh. Pond. This pond is a pretty good pond. So I think after you fish here for a little bit, they kind of stop biting, which I mean, I guess with the small pond, you kind of gotta expect that. But I caught a 3-pounder. It was like 306, I'm pretty sure. And then I caught a whole bunch of other small ones. There's some pretty good sized ones in there. And Sean, yeah, he said he caught 2 bass, and we're gonna go to another pond and see if we can catch any more fish. We just got to the new spot. The water is very blue. What have you caught out of here?
I caught a catfish and a big billy bass.
It was like a 2, almost 3-pounder. So switch to GoPro and let's get to fishing. Now with our own GoPro, I have never caught a fish in this pond. So this pond is a new one to me. Oh yeah. That's a doinker. Sean just caught his 3rd fish of the day.
It was a beautiful one.
Oh yeah, doinker.
Ready? Epic release. Okay.
Oh. It's right there. And that's gone.
Just had all their babies.
Look at that. That thing is beautiful.
Oh dang. That's a nice one.
Oh yeah. There you go, Landon.
That's a nice one.
Why are your teeth so gosh dang done diddly sharp? Here we go. Oh, you look like you've been in a few fights. Oh, this one's really feisty. Oh, there you go. Literally.
Yeah.
Get her up there. Oh yeah. Let's go. Look at that boy. Oh, that was beautiful. Just the way it swims away.
1.9.
190. Alright. Hold it. Just like hold it up.
Oh yeah. Something just went to that. See that? Yeah. That was excellent. Did you see that thing go for it right at the beginning?
Yeah. Oh geez.
That's like the size of the one I just... Oh no, that one's small. That's a good one. Have you noticed some bass have like pointy mouths and some of them are round?
Alrighty. Look at this bass. Woo! Jeez, oh Pete, dude, why are you so feisty? Look at it go. Oh yeah. Alright, so we started fishing around 12 somewhere, and it is now 5:30, and I am all fished out. Sean's making a few last casts over there before we head out. I caught 2 here. Sean has caught probably quite a few. Some of them were little doinkers. So yeah, pretty good fishing day. So like always, if you guys like this video, make sure to go down below and leave a thumbs up, and also subscribe to me so then you know whenever I upload, and you'll help me out so much in the future. You'll be an OG subscriber. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much.